You're welcome to today's lesson. Now we are here to solve a factorization problem. Looking at the problem now, you will see that we are having a coefficient here, and if we are to divide by 3, it will make here to be a fraction, so we don't need that. So in a case like this, what we will do, this coefficient here will multiply this number here, that is 3 will multiply 6, which will give us 18. So we'll now look for two factors of 18 that when we add them up will give us 7. And if we are to look at those factors, I believe that minus 2 plus 9 will give us 7. In essence, 9 plus negative 2 will give us 7. So if we are to use this factor to solve, I believe we will get it. So let us see. (3x squared plus 9a minus 2a minus 6). So the greatest common factor here is 3. So let us bring 3a out, which is the greatest common factor. 3a multiplied by a will give us this, plus 3, because 3a multiplied by 3 will give us 9a minus 2. Minus 2 multiplied by a will give us minus 2a. Then minus 2 multiplied by plus 3 will give us negative 6. So at this point, we will now write 3a minus this and this. These two are the same, so we take 1, go to 0. So at this point, we will now say that we will now single it out. 3a minus 2 equal to 0. We do the same for this. A plus 3 equal to 0. So we now look for a here. 3a minus 2 equal to 0. If we divide, if we move this minus 2 to this side, it will now be, it will give us 3a equal to 2. So if we divide both sides by 3, a will be equal to 3 over 2. Now that is for this one. Now let's do for this. A plus 3 equal to 0. If we now make a the subject formula, a will be equal to minus 3. A will be equal to minus 3. So in solving for our final answer, it simply means that our final answer is this. This is our final answer when we factorize. Thanks for watching, and God bless you. Remember to follow my channel, Mr. Hallelujah Maths Class, on Facebook and in YouTube.